Hi ClickChauffeur enthusiasts! Need a bit of buffer time before your next booking? Today I'm going to show you how to set a booking lead time so you're never caught off guard. By setting a lead time, you ensure you have enough preparation time before each booking, making your service smooth and efficient. Let's get started from the ClickChauffeur dashboard and dive right in. In the menu on the left, click on Module to access the settings page. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down to the booking buffer time section right there. Here, you will see fields to enter the desired number and unit for the lead time. To set a lead time for bookings, enter the number in the numbers field and select the unit from the drop-down menu on the right. For example, if you want a 30-minute lead time, you enter 30 here and you select minutes here. Pro tip, if you do not want any lead time, simply set the number here to 0 and keep it on minutes on the right. This way bookings can be made instantly. And finally, we need to save the changes we made. Click on the save button at the bottom of the page. And that's it. We've set a booking lead time, ensuring you have enough time to prepare for each booking. This small setting can help keep things running smoothly. Remember, a little lead time can make a big difference. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy scheduling and smooth driving.